A study of 900 homeowners in certain areas showed that the average value of homes is 91,000, standard deviation 6,000. How many of these homes have a value greater than 88,500? So it's kind of worded a little bit differently. You might think, well, there's many because there's 900. No, we're looking at the probability of a single home, and then we're going to take that probability and multiply it times the 900. Yeah, it's kind of a strange one. Not as easy as the other ones. So we are talking about the one home. That's right here. So let's write down what we're given. Okay. Mean is 91,000. Standard deviation is 6,000. We're looking at the probability the value is greater than 88,500. And then once we get that, we'll multiply by 900 to find out how many of those match that criteria and round a whole number. And let's try it again. Put that back. Okay. So greater than. That's my second one here. So A is whatever follows the greater than symbol. So A equals 88,500. And we'll be plugging in this right here. Equals 1 minus norm dot dist A, which is 88,500, comma, mean, which is 91,000, comma, standard deviation, which is 6,000, comma, true. Now we're going to multiply that times 900. So in Excel, I could do an equals, type in A3, because that's where the cell's at, times 900, round, that'd be 595. Meet that criteria. So yeah, 595.